Number 4. Plan your day. Write down the task you need to complete the night before. It will help you with two things. Number 1. Your mind will know the day has ended and everything that needs to be done is for tomorrow. Number 2. In the morning you will have clarity about what you need to do. And clarity about your task not only saves your time but also boosts your energy. You can follow the ABCDE method described in the book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. In this method, you first write down all the tasks you need to do, then rank themselves by A, B, C, D, etc. A task means something you must have to do. If you have more than one A task, then you can name those A1, A2, A3 and so on. B task means something you should do. Not doing it will have mild consequences. C task means something that will be nice to do and there are no consequences. D task means something you delegate to someone else and focus on your A task. And E task means tasks that won't make any difference even if you don't do them. Rank tasks like these and see the magic. But don't forget that less is more. Honestly, I don't like to have a to-do list with more than 5 tasks on it. In most days, I have only 3 major tasks to focus on. I never add read book, drink water, meditate, take a walk, these kind of things in my to-do list. For me, these are habits and not tasks. So I do them automatically without any lists. But you can keep a sub list of habits to track them and cut your to-do list shorter for better focus. Number 5. Wake up early. Most of the successful people of today's world have one thing in common, and that is waking up early. There has to be some magic in the morning air that makes people healthier, wealthier and happier. So if you want to make progress in life, I will recommend you to take the 30-day Miracle Morning Challenge of Hal Elrod to see if the magic happens to you. You can read the book Miracle Morning, the not-so-obvious sick bed guaranteed to transform your life before 8 a.m. for more clarity about the challenge. In this book, the author talked about 6 things that he named savers. Savers means silence, affirmations, visualization, exercising, reading, and scribing. The author suggested to do these 6 things for 10 minutes every morning to get their desired dream life. One thing I always like to say about morning routine is, if you can't wake up early, that doesn't mean your day is ruined. Do what you plan for the morning from the moment you wake up, and you will conclude the day, because ultimately we are in the control of our time. Number 6. Read daily. As I was saying in the beginning, the best way to finish a big book is to divide and rule. Rather than reading 2 hours a week, imagine reading 30 minutes a day. If you can read 20 pages every day, that will be 140 pages a week and 600 pages a month. Awesome, right? And it doesn't even have to be 20 pages every day. Someday you will not feel up to it. In those days, read a page or at least a para. Because in the end, consistency is the key to success. And also focus on what kind of books you are reading. Try to read a few personal development books, even if you are not a fan of them. And of course, learn about topics such as personal finance, food nutrition, communication, etc. Number 3. Track your time, energy, and progress. I was tracking my time and progress for a while, and I realized that I am the most active at noon. For many people, this is a lazy time, but it worked amazing for me. The work I was struggling with for months because I was trying to focus in times when I wasn't productive enough. I did those works just in a week after I started doing them at noon. So I'm sure if you start tracking your time and focus on that time when you're most productive, then you will be able to progress more as well. Scott Tosley, a growth marketer at HubSpot, shared his time tracking technique that I simply loved. Scott said that, I separate my day into 90-minute intervals. After each interval is over, I rate my perceived energy on a scale from 1 to 5. It takes 2 seconds to do this. After a few weeks, I will have data visualizing which 90 minutes interval I feel most energized. The more data you have collected, the more accurate your energy analysis will become. By following this technique, you will know your most productive hour and you will be able to schedule your most important energy training job at that hour. It will help you to progress faster as well. Tell me in the comment section when is your most productive time. So this was my video guys. Do tell me in the comment section if you find this video helpful. And if you learned something from this, then please share it with others. And if you have any video suggestion for me, then do comment them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. Take care and I will see you in my next video.